This is a MyQ garage door opener. As you can see, the light is on. Okay, if I want to set these time, this is a time to close sensors. Only thing you have to do is hit this on button for like 2 seconds. And you see the light lit up. That one is going to stay open for like maybe 1.5 minutes. If I want to change it to 5 minutes or 10 minutes, you can just keep hitting the buttons. So we're just going to do it to 1 minute. If you want to turn it off, just hit the off button here. You hear that beep, it turns it off. Okay, to turn it back on, just hold this for 2 seconds again. And you're gonna notice that it's blinking. It lets you know, hey, after 1.5 minutes, this garage is gonna go down. Okay, say for instance, I'm in the garage working and I don't want this to go down. You can either turn this off or just hit the hold button. Once you hit the hold button, it's gonna stay on. So you hit the hold button again to activate it. Say for instance, I want to lock these out right here, your controls that go in your car, your garage openers. Just hit this lock button, hold it for like 2 seconds. You notice that it's blinking. This would not work. See, I'm trying to open it, it do not work. So to turn that off, only thing you got to do is press this and hold it for 2 seconds. Now it's back on. Now I can hit my garage door opener and it'll work now. Again, back up. Okay, I'm gonna program, say you want to program your garage door opener. Only thing you want to do is hit this learn button twice, 1, 2, and it stays on, and hit whatever button you want to program. Now it's programmed. You notice that the light is back on. Bring it back up. Say for instance, I want to erase all the memory off of this. I'm not going to do it, but you hold this learn button for 6 seconds until the red light goes out. And this would erase all the memories in all your garage door openers. So this thing is pretty simple to use. The light button, just turn the lights on and off. And it has a sensor button. If you don't want this sensor to work, you could turn it to off. Now the sensor would not work. So if you come in the lights and stuff, the sensor won't work. So I always keep my sensor on. It only took like 5 minutes to put this thing up. So I'm gonna leave it here 1 minute. So I'm gonna show you what's gonna happen once it gets to that 1.5 minutes. You see it's beeping and the lights is blinking. Now it's going to automatically go down. But that's all to it. This video helped. Subscribe to my channel and have a great day.